Let's look at the components of the L2SW wireless light. Manual. Cleaning cloth. 2 large batteries, 2 small batteries, the main unit. A driver set, a UV anti-curing protection filter, a clip-type mounting bracket, a charging cable with adapter. The charger uses a USB-C connector. When charging is complete, you will see the all 4 indicators lighting. Do not leave the fully charged battery on the charger. Place the battery on the charger to start charging. It can be mounted in either direction. Assembly method. Remove the protective cap from the front lens. Slightly tilt the light head so you can work with the driver. The L2SW light, it uses a flat wood driver bit. The main fixation of the light is done by tightening the front screw. Center position is reached when both holes align. When mounting on the loop, loosen the screw to create space for the frame. Align these holes to find the correct center position. Tighten the main front fixing screw check if the light is properly fixed. Move the light head. No looseness means it's securely mounted. Then place the battery on the main unit, gently tap the touch panel to turn the light on. Attach the anti-curing filter as needed. Slide to the side to open. Hold the light head and insert it according to the specified size. As you can see, attaching the anti-curing filter produces a yellow light. Open by sliding the anti-curing filter sideways. How to use the mounting clip. The same way as with the loop mount. It allows you to easily transfer and use the light on other glasses or shields. Elevate your quality of work with exceptional comfort with the XENOSYS.